The crown chakra is associated with the central nervous system and the pineal gland. The name crown chakra comes from the Sanskrit word sahasrara, which translates to 1,000 petals. Energetic associations from the crown chakra include inner peace, intuition, and connection to life, the universe, or a higher power. When the crown chakra is in balance, we feel at peace with everything in our lives, connected to everyone and everything around us. Welcome to day 7, the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, emanating above us, guiding us from the divine in our life, and connecting us to the universe. Today we're going to work on the mudra, 1,000 petals. So we're going to bring our thumb and our pointer to touch, bringing the palms forward, just like that. Option to bring it overhead, above the crown. Maybe bringing the hands up that high is too challenging for you, so I welcome you to just have it out in front of you. That's fine. Wherever you choose to hold your mudra, I invite you to close your eyes at this time. Picture the color violet. That's the color of the crown chakra. And I want you to picture yourself surrounded by the color violet. Letting it come in through the top of your head, your crown chakra. And watch as it comes in and through your body, through your torso and your arms, and down the bottom of your legs. Picture yourself being surrounded in this beautiful violet glow, as a mist of color that surrounds you and it envelops you. We'll continue to breathe here for a little bit. Focusing on this area, the top of the head, focusing on the universe. Option to bring the hands down at this time, letting them rest on your lap. And continuing to breathe here, picturing yourself being enveloped in the color violet. This time I welcome you to repeat the affirmation for today. I am one with the universe. Taking a breath in between 2 more times. I am one with the universe. One more. I am one with the universe. Opening the eyes if that feels right to you at this time. Good. Coming forward. We'll start with some cat-cow, so elongating the spine and arching the back. Today's the last day of our challenge. I hope you've been enjoying yourself, that you gained something from this experience, whether it's knowledge or a little bit more practice, whether it felt good in your body or in your soul as you were exploring the different chakras. Hope you came out of it gaining something. That was surely my intention. Let's do 3 more of these. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rooting the hands on the shoulders. We're going to rotate the shoulders. Let's make some circles here. And changing directions, going forward. Good. Releasing the hands by the side. Big breath. Seated mountain with our palms facing inward. Good. Continuing to breathe, keeping the spine nice and straight. Good. Bringing our hands together at the chest, prayer hands. We're going to twist towards the right, keeping the hands together. And back to center, taking a breath. Moving the hands towards the left. And back to center. Do that one more time. Towards the right. And center. To the left. And center. Good. Now when we reach the side, we're going to pour like this. Going to the right, and we pour. Back up. Back to center. Going to the left, pouring. Up. Back to center. Good. Now keeping the hands together, if that's possible, if that's available to you, I want you to reach towards the right side of the room. Keeping those palms together, extending the arms. Breathing. 3, 2, 1. Bringing them by your chest once again. Taking a breath. Reaching towards the left side of the room. 3, 2, 1. Back to center by the chest. This time we're going to point down towards the floor, right side of the room. 3, 2, and 1. Nicely done. One more side. Pointing down, left side of the floor. For 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Inhale, up above, straight up. Growing a little taller as we do so. 3, 2, 1. This time we're going to bend at the elbows if that's available to you. It's going to look like this behind us. If that's not available to you, that's fine. You can put rest your hands on your shoulders, and that's okay. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the arms down. Good. Shrugging the shoulders. Up and down, up and down. Working on our legs, we're going to raise the left leg and we're going to rotate at the ankle. Getting any kinks out. And in the other direction. And up and down like we're stepping on the gas pedal. And side to side. Good. Bringing that leg down. Right leg up. We're going to rotate at the ankle. And in the opposite direction. Up and down like we're hitting the gas pedal. Beautiful. Side to side. Great. Releasing that leg down. We're going to bring the left leg up. We're going to hold on to that leg and we're going to open it. Bring it back. 3 more. Open. And back. 2 more. 2. And 1. Bring it down. Other leg. Right leg up. Do same thing other side. Open. And back. 3 more. Good, bring it down, stomp your feet. Nice. Now we're gonna sit a little bit back. I can't go too far back because then I can't fully reach the floor. We're gonna extend one heel to the ground, one knee is gonna bend. We're gonna hinge ever so slightly over that leg. And we're gonna continue to breathe. Just hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing that leg in, we're gonna extend the other leg, heel to the ground, hinging forward towards that leg. Holding for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing it back up. Now we're going to cross the legs. Option to cross down by the ankle or cross at the knees, your choice. Keeping the legs crossed, spine nice and straight. We're going to twist towards the right, holding onto the chair for support. And back to center. Twisting to the left. And back to center. We'll do that one more time, twisting to the right. And center. And left, and center. Good job. Go ahead and gently bring that leg down. We're gonna cross the other leg. Remember, at the ankle, down on the floor, or at the knee, whichever one feels better for you. We're going to twist like we did before, twisting toward the right. Back to center. Remember that back is nice and straight. Let's twist towards the left. And back to center. One more time. We're twisting to the right. And back to center. And twisting to the left. And back to center. Great. Bringing that leg down, we're going to step the feet. Nice. Now let's bring the heels up. Good. Let's hold them there. 3, 2, 1. Bring them down to the ground. Take a breath. Let's do that 2 more times. Bring the heels up. 3, 2, 1. Bringing them down. 1 more. Bring them up. 3, 2, and 1. Bringing them down. Good. Pedaling the feet. Good. Let's do a seated downward dog. So we're going to bring the heel to the ground, both heels. We're going to bring the palms out in front. We're going to raise them up above like we're pushing on the wall. Good. Make sure your back is nice and straight. Let's hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the legs and arms together, shrugging the shoulders. Let's do that 2 more times. Heels to the ground, palms are up. Engage the hands as if you're pushing the wall. 3, 2, and 1. Bringing it back to center. Taking a breath here. Last one. Heel to the ground. Pushing. 3, 2, and 1. Bringing it down, bringing it towards us. Nice. Now we're going to open the legs. Bring the knees out to the sides. We're going to hold on to the thighs. We're going to gently hinge forward. We're going to look down at the ground. And we're going to come back. Taking a breath, let's do that again. Inching forward, looking down at the ground. And back. One more time, inching forward. And back. Good. Let's come to the side of our chair. So we're going to bend one knee, and we're going to extend the other leg. Option to extend the back leg, or just point the knee down like this, your choice. We're going to bring the hand by the side. We're going to reach it up above, and we're going to lean towards the chair. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. We're going to bring the arm down for a moment, taking a breath. Now we're going to make that move a little dynamic, so we're going to bring it up and over, and back down, up and over, and back down. Good. 2 more. Up and over, and down. 1 more. Up and over, and down. Good. Bring the legs together. Walk your way to the other side. You're going to bend the opposite knee. We're going to extend the other one, or have it pointing down. Bring the right arm by your leg. We're going to bring it up above, trying to touch the ceiling. And we're going to dip towards the chair. Side stretch here. Holding there for 3, 2, and 1. Bring the arm down by your side, continuing to breathe. We're going to flow. That's that dynamic movement we did before. Ready? Up and over and down. 3 more. Up and over and down. 2 more. One more. Great. Now grab your bolster or pillow if you have one. Place it in between your legs or on top of your lap, your choice. We're going to bring the elbows out and we're going to fold forward onto it. So we're placing our forehead onto it. So that might be easier with it on your lap. Maybe it's easier having it here and then having another pillow on top, your choice. But picture when you were in school and the teacher would say, place your heads on the table, be quiet. That's what we're going for, that relaxing sensation that you're putting the forehead to the pillow. And we're going to call that crocodile. And let's just hang out here. Breathing in and out. Relaxing the head. Relaxing the tension in the neck. All those little bones in the neck, picture them relaxing. If they feel an ache or pain, just feel as they dissipate, as they disappear from your neck and back. Breathing here. Good. Gently coming up. Good. Putting the block to the side. I thank you for your practice. Namaste.